Hey guys, David here, and today a short video unboxing this, the new iPhone 12 in gorgeous midnight blue. We're also going to cover the 4 really nice upgrades that I've noticed already in just a day of using the 12 compared to my previous phone, the iPhone XR. Ready? Then let's go. The first noticeable thing in the unboxing is just how thin and light the iPhone 12 case is, especially compared to previous generations. You can see the iPhone XR box here for comparison. This is because Apple removed the charging plug and earphones from iPhone 12 boxes. I did a video, which I will link above and into the description, debating whether that is a good thing for the environment or a rip-off for consumers, so check that out if you're interested. What that means is now, inside the box, we have a USB-C to Lightning cable, which enables fast charging, and a few tiny papers, one Apple sticker, some initial instructions, and the SIM ejector tool. And most importantly, the iPhone 12 itself. This is the 128GB model in midnight blue, and I think in person it's a gorgeous device. So what are those 4 upgrades so noticeable you can spot them within 1 day of use? Well, number 1 is the screen. The iPhone 12 now has an OLED screen as standard. This used to be just for the Pro models. Compared to the iPhone XR or 11, the screen is much higher resolution with better contrast and brightness. This makes the experience of using the phone just visually sharper, crisper, and more vibrant. Number 2 is responsiveness. The iPhone 12 has Apple's new A14 Bionic chip, which outperforms a whole bunch of laptops that you could buy, and that extra speed is surprisingly noticeable. My iPhone XR is still working great, and until yesterday, I thought a really fast and capable phone. The iPhone 12 is just that much snappier, that much more performant. It really is quite surprising to me, but it's a noticeable upgrade. Number 3 is size and lightness. Now, I will be doing a full comparison of the 12 and the XR, so please subscribe if you're interested to see that. I was quite surprised at how noticeably lighter and more comfortable in the hand, smaller but without compromising the screen size, the 12 is. We have slimmer bezels, the black borders around the edge of the screen, as well as flattened sides compared to curved sides on the iPhone XR, and these 2 features allow for a noticeable reduction in the form factor and a more comfortable in-hand experience. The 4th immediately noticeable upgrade is the design itself. I mentioned the flat edges just now, but the phone has been redesigned compared to the prior models, and it's now got the flat edges and the industrial design more similar to the iPad Pro and Air, or looking back at the iPhone 4 and 5, Now personally, I think this is a really cool look, a nice aesthetic, but also I find it comfortable in the hand, a bit more grippy, and it obviously benefits the size and weight of the device as well. So I do think that is a win on all fronts. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider dropping a like. If you're interested in more iPhone 12 content, as well as tech and digital creative content, then please consider subscribing to the channel for all that good stuff. Right now, iPhone 12, great first impressions, gorgeous hands-on, love the midnight blue color. I'm going to be looking forward to playing with this and seeing what the device can really do. I'll be sure to share all the interesting stuff with you guys. But until next time, thank you for watching and take it easy.